We're at one of the biggest malls in the country. We're at the Amo Fashion Center in Torrance. Apparently they're redoing the Adidas store right here. Oh snap, I guess they're moving this store over there. Do have an end of season sale. Maybe we'll hit them up in a bit. Adidas been so mediocre. Even at the outlets, price has been mediocre. They do have a Nike retail store here. It's pretty big. Pretty decent sized store right here. And here, returns, such a big deal. I feel like that's how you find all the really dope stuff. Got some Kobe, the Kobe 9 Elites, right? Still got one of these. And do got the Grape 5s. Everybody got the Grape 5s though. The Asia ones right here, 110. Then this is the men's section right here. Got the more performance stuff right there. Got the racing or the running shoes, racing and running shoes. Got workout shoes, basketball right there, casual, and then do got Jordan brand. And the latest release are these 8s right here, the Aqua 8s. What do you guys think about these? I did not pick these bad boys up. I feel so dumb for not getting the playoff ones. Saw them on release day, and I was hoping to find them at the outlets, but yeah, you can't be greedy about the discounts like that sometimes. $215. Dang, and Chic had these for like way cheap, $105 retail here. Do got the Kobe Mamba slides, $42 for these right here. Glorified Nike Victory slides with the Mamba logo on it. Do got the, what are these? The Rejuvenate, right? Rejuvenate slides. 3 different colorways, have a ton of React on it. Seems very comfortable, got quite a bit of cushioning. What are these going for? $60 each. And then back to the Jordan section. I do got the ones. Those are regular price. They do have a few sneakers on sale, but not the Jordan ones. 3s also not on sale. Do got the Spizikes right here. Spizikes 20% off, $165. Forrest Gump Cortez 20% off. The retail price of $90. Got a sale off of a few. These are the what did these say? DN 8s, the Air Max DN, and it's 8s, I guess, because there's 8 balls on each side. Air Max balls. Those go for $200 though. 20% off these bad boys right here as well. $135, 20 off. Then got a ton of different colorways of these GT Cut 3s. These seem super comfortable with the Zoom X. That's gonna be for some people, but not for everybody else, or not for everybody, because it does have some stability issues in the back for some people. Zoom X just not the most stable, but hella comfortable. $200 a piece for those. New colorways of these, the KD 18s. Just not a fan of those at all. I'm not gonna lie. And then got books. Colorways. I don't think I'm really familiar with any of these. Yes, ma'am. I've never seen that one. Yeah, these are going for $145. Then the Vomeros. I'm still trying to find a pair on sale. Dang, these black ones. I like these black ones. I bet you they have some 3M on it. Maybe not. Guess not. I thought all these holes were 3M, but guess not. I don't know. Maybe my light's not bright enough? Nah, you usually see it better than that. But yeah, I like these all black ones right here. $155, though they did go up $5. Women's section, kind of the same. Got plenty to choose from, but just not the craziest sales, because this is a Nike retail store too. Got the Asia ones, the A1s right here. These are all what? $115. Got a pretty big Champs here. You know, the prices are definitely going to be better here, and I do see a couple of surprises. I'll show you guys that in a sec. Let's check out the sales rack. See a lot of grade school stuff on sale. Right? Get your kids some shoes and then make them wait before school. $40 for the GT Cut Academy is a nice budget shoe. Ultra Boost going for $80. You really can't go wrong with black and white. These are all men's, by the way. All men's sizes right here. $80 for the AE1s. NMDs for $80. Brooks goes $16. $80, not bad. Nova Blast. These are huge though. These are huge. $80. Gamma Forces $50. Converse $30. Zion 3s down here $50. It looks like the rest of these are grade school and women's right here. Some JTs $40. Some 6-ring $60. That's a hell of a price, especially if you use a survey coupon. Make sure you guys share survey coupons with your friends. Grade school Pro Strongs $40. $60 for the 312s right here. These look like men's size right here. Yeah, these are 10.5. Yeah, not bad. Not bad, you guys. And then in the Jordan section, they did have Cement 4s right here. Did have Cement 4. I see it at the register now. Maybe someone's grabbing it. I don't know. Stuff happens quick, man. And we'll get back to the retros. I just want to see if the workers end up putting that black or white Cement 4 back. But yeah, I do got some of these non-signature Jordans right here. Pretty decent price with the flight course right here. $20 off. Been seeing these at Ross lately. Of course, sizing always an issue. Got 2 3s. Got some Jordan 4 RMs right there. Haven't returned with the black Cement 4, but here's all the Jordan releases. Got a couple of 3s. Got the mellows right there. And then these just made it back right here. Size 9.5 on display. Do got these bad boys. I'll make a short showing that, hey, so these are available here and there. First time I've seen these in a while though, I'm not gonna lie. Men's right there. One of the spots that does have the $10 beanies. They got the Lakers ones. They got the Lakers ones for $10. I might have to grab these. I like the material. It's not lined or anything, but $30 down to $10. This is a new era. This will be useful for the winter. This last winter was cold as hell. Normally, like, I'll wear a beanie for like maybe 2 months. This last winter, if we have another one like that, I'll be using this quite a bit. But yeah, $10, fools, $10. They also got the McDonald's Crocs right here. This is size 11 men's, $40 freaking dollars. Not bad. I'm trying to remember how much I paid for my kiddos when I got it at the Foot Locker outlet though. And then they do have the Rejuvenates. Maybe these are starting to become a little more available. That's pretty cool. Where they go for $60, $70 for those. Cam's actually starting to have some dope stuff. Starting to have sales on some decent stuff as well. Let me pay for this $10 bargain right here. That's what's up. 10 freaking dollars. Got a JD Sports right here. I don't see any new sales items. They've had those V2Ks and these Cortez on sale for quite some time. It's not bad for $65, especially if you don't have an outlet near you. Black one right here, you get 20% off, $90. Got some Vans, old schools on sale. I can't believe those are like $70 and $80. I feel like, no, Vans ain't nothing special. Like this one probably takes more material and it's like suede and stuff like that. But this, like, it's just canvas. Like canvas shoes for normally $70. I don't know, so it's kind of crazy. Converse been doing it for like forever though. KD 18s. I feel like these just came out. They're already on sale. What? Really? Really? I feel like these bad boys just came out. Holy crap. Holy crap. That's crazy. Luca is also on sale. I feel like these came out just like a month ago or maybe 2 months ago. I remember when he debuted them. Didn't seem that far, like that long ago. I don't know. But $35 off. I kind of like that silhouette. I kind of like that one. Then I've showed you guys this quite a few times. Look at this. It's a start, man. It's a start. Not a huge sale. $20 off, 10% off. But it is a start. Like, these are freaking dope. Freaking dope. Hopefully I can find one for cheap. Found one of those for cheap so far. The other Jordans, I don't think I've found killer deals on any of these. Black one right here. Pretty clean. Pretty clean. The flight courts. $30 off. Not bad. Not bad if you're not a huge Jordan fan. That's not bad. Then we came over to the ghetto part of the mall. But they do have a pretty good shoe palace. Pretty good sized shoe palace. They don't have the new design here yet. Nothing crazy with the Jordan releases. Got kind of the same ones everybody else got. But we have consistently seen the Obsidian low OGs right here on sale for $100. These retail for $140. Rare Air 1s and even the 3s. These are down to $180, kind of like the UNC 3s or the Lucky 3s at JD Sports. $180, but at least they're discounted. It's a start. If you're just patient with those, you'll definitely see better prices. I'm surprised to see 6 rings on sale. $130 for 6 rings. 6 rings always sells. Got some lows. These aren't OGs, but regular lows for $80. Adidas soccer gear on sale. $30 for these just regular Adidas jerseys. Normally $40, so what, $10 off? Little discount. They do got some Sauconys on sale right here. These are the Shadow 6000s. These are pretty dope, dude. These are pretty dope. These ain't bad, dude. I kind of do like these. Just have the old school vibe. $90 for these bad boys. I don't know the retail though. Then they got these. Apparently these are the Omni 9s. I don't really know nothing about Sauconys. I know the Shadow 6000s, but yeah, $90 for these bad boys right here. Then a few different 90/60s on sale. These were one of New Balance's best-selling shoes a while back, especially during the pandemic. Definitely surprised. Talked to a couple workers at some stores and they said these were flying off the shelves. Not anymore. Yo, I haven't even seen these out that long. $60. These retail for like $180 or something like that. I'm so curious to see how these feel though. $60. 9.5 right here. I'm so curious to see how these feel. These look like those rocking shoes that Skechers had, and then Skechers got sued because they tried to say, hey, it'll like make you lose. My bad, I thought that was a shelf right there. But yeah, they said it was gonna help you lose weight or something, and they ended up getting sued. Let me try these on. Not Boost, but feels very similar to Boost. It feels softer than the Ultra Boost 5X. $60. That's definitely a huge bargain. It does rock a little bit though. Like, I don't know. It's not flat. It's definitely not flat. And huge heel to toe drop. Not the biggest fan of that, but pretty comfortable if you just speaking in terms of comfort. Definitely meant for running. These are gonna take some used to. You're gonna have to get used to these because look at how flat these are, and then look at how much like it just rocks. It's just interesting. They got Sambas on sale. Oh, it's like denim right there. They got some suede campus right there. Sambas right here. These are the XLGs. Then they got these 4D right here. Climacool. I don't know. These are interesting. These are definitely interesting. Material's a lot softer than I thought. Yeah, definitely softer than I thought. The 3D material definitely softer. I just wonder if like these get dirty. If they get dirt inside, like it's gonna be a pain in the ass to clean them, right? $140 for these bad boys. Damn. Then the Tony Montana Scarface suede right here. Shoe Palace exclusive. $30 for these. I'm surprised they still have these. But yeah, $30. And they got the Drift Cats right here. The Speed Cats, my bad. The Speed Cats, $75. They got the Ferrari red. It's not technically Ferrari, but it's pretty much Ferrari red. And got these black ones right here. Maybe this matches like Mercedes. Their livery. They also got blue ones. They got brown ones right there as well, going for regular price. Regular price $100. Later in the afternoon, Hanson Dam Aquatic Center, I think. Pretty big freaking pool. Cheap as hell for the kiddos. They charge $10 for this area right here. Tiny little obstacle course. Got a little volleyball, water volleyball area over there as well. Another trip to, where are we at? Chili's? Another trip to Chili's. My kid's addicted to Chili's. He freaking loves this spot right here. I'm trying to be healthy, man. I got the lowest calorie item, just a side of fries. Trying to be healthy. These fools actually got burgers and delicious meals. Oh man, I miss eating like that. Miss it. At Magic Mountain now. We ran in less than 10 minutes after them opening. Look at this. We're at Tatsu. I don't think we've ridden this ride in several years, but no line. Hopefully we can get on 1 or 2 roller coasters with no line. I don't know if you guys have ever ran before. I'm breathing hard as hell, obviously. But hell yeah, let's go. Look at this, no line. F yeah, dude, look at this. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hopefully 1 or 2 rides, hopefully. 15 minutes later, look at this, look at this. We are next. So damn, we might only get 1 ride. Maybe a West Coast Racers.
We should go check if that's open. Maybe we can go see like the Wonder Woman people.
Yeah. We'll go check those. We're strategizing. Yeah, this is one of these rides. I forgot. Holy crap. So you're like looking down the whole time. I'm kind of afraid of heights, but my kiddo's riding it. I can't be a bitch. Come on now. Damn. All right, let's go. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, that was pretty insane, dude. That was pretty insane. I don't think I've ever ridden that ride. Been here probably 20 times, 30 times. Damn, that was fun. Look at the line now. Holy cow. Everybody else here now. Holy cow. Damn. So much for hitting up a couple rides with no wait. Damn. I don't know if we go deeper in, maybe. Ride number 2. Still no line. Hell yeah. That's what's up. 11 a.m. Look at this, West Coast Racers. No line again. No line again. Hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Just got off Wonder Woman. Within 1 hour, it's 11:30 now. Within 1 hour, we hit up 3 rides. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, I think I'm done filming. What a good start. What a good start, man. I'm not even here that long today, but hell yeah. This is a Saturday. This is crazy. If you run to quite a few rides at the very beginning, look at this. Ride number 4, no line again. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. This is a Saturday, so it will get packed soon enough. Twisted Colossus. I think we've been here an hour and 20 minutes. 4 coasters in an hour, 20 minutes. That's freaking insane. That one was way better than I thought. I haven't ridden that one in 25 years. Next up is Scream. This one, usually the line's usually not that long. And then this is Scream. Wow. 6 roller coasters within an hour and a half. That's crazy. That's crazy. All right, it did take some running. My kid's not even here. He's on another ride. But it did take some running, but 6 coasters, hour and a half. We got the perfect game plan. Hey, y'all don't be stealing my game plan, man. Don't be stealing my game plan. We're about to get on Saturday. Tells you the date right there. Bam, that's what's up. That's what's up. Damn, 6 roller coasters, about an hour and a half. Dude, not bad, not bad. My kiddo and these fools are gonna get on one more time. Fucking headache, dude. Damn, I'm getting old. I have a headache. These fools waited on. What you guys wait on? Goliath? We went on 3 roller coasters. Wow. All right, go get on. Go get on, and I'll be out here, okay? Damn, what a game plan. We got a perfect game plan for the first hour and a half. Champs out in Amo Mall, and look at this. Look at this. What do we have here? White cement 4s. White cement 4s, and doesn't look like they've been worn. Doesn't look like a return. Clean freaking pair. This is a 9.5 on display. I don't know if they have other sizes, but does look like a clean pair right here. That is freaking dope. Then they do have $10 off backpacks. Then they do have some deals for the men's and kids who wear men's shoes. $50 for a grade school right here. Got the JT 3s right here, going for 40 bucks. And then 10.5 of these. The Legacy 312s. These were designed by Don C. $60 freaking dollars. That size 9. The Zions were pretty cheap as well. And of course, we got a full video coming out on the Cool Kicks YouTube channel. Stay tuned, fools.